condemning the incident in Manipur, where a mob sexually assaulted Kuki women publicly in Kangpokpi district on May 4th. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has demanded the strictest action against the guilty. Terming the incident as unacceptable, he said that he will write to the Prime Minister, the Home Minister and the Manipur Chief Minister demanding strong measures to address the situation in Manipur.
You must be aware that even before this, about a month back, I have already written to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister regarding certain measures and actions to be taken in Manipur, not as Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but as a political party, to write to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister for this. So we have been doing that. In the last all-party meeting that was called, I had attended personally, and we've been stressing on this. So yes, this incident, as I said, is very disturbing, and we will press that all measures should be taken so that action is taken against those who are guilty.
The police